Chemical manufacturing spans a wide range of industries, from petrochemicals, polymers, and synthetic rubber to specialty chemicals, paints and coatings, adhesives, dyes, agrochemicals, and more. Across these manufacturing environments, workers operate around hazardous materials, heavy equipment, high-temperature processes, and complex production areas. When safety risks go unnoticed, small gaps can quickly become serious incidents. That's where viAct comes in. You can choose from over 200 AI modules that help you detect missing or incorrect PPE such as gloves, face shields, goggles, respirators, and protective clothing. Detect visible spills or leakage around tanks, pipelines, processing, and storage areas. Detect welding, cutting, and grinding activities and flag ignition risks in hazardous areas. Identify improperly placed, stacked, or stored chemical containers and materials. Detect personnel entering designated restricted, exclusion, or hazardous zones. Detect workers at elevated locations and identify missing fall protection or unsafe access. Map vehicle and pedestrian movement to identify congestion, frequently used routes, and high-risk areas. Detect close interaction between vehicles and pedestrians and flag potential near misses with alerts. All of this is brought together in 6 powerful AI packages: vehicle control, ergonomics, behavioral safety, area control, PPE detection, and housekeeping. Run multiple AI modules from a single camera or scale one safety scenario across cameras throughout your facility, giving safety teams continuous visibility without relying only on periodic inspections. Built on years of real-world industrial data, the system is trained to recognize patterns and risks with a high degree of consistency, even in complex, fast-moving environments. Every insight contributes to a bigger picture, helping you align safety practices, workforce well-being, governance compliances with evolving ESG expectations. There's no complicated setup. Start by choosing what matters most for your operations from the module list. Connect your current camera network. From there, the system continuously reads live activity and highlights what needs attention, so your team can respond faster and smarter. Whether your preference is centralized monitoring or keeping everything within your facility, deployment is flexible, designed to fit your infrastructure, not the other way around. All activity translates into clear, usable insights, from safety performance to operational trends, giving you a sharper view of how your facility runs day to day. Because improving a factory isn't about watching more, it's about understanding more.